Oh hey, didn't see you there. Come on in. Okay, so we're back at it today with episode number 2 of our Audi rebuild series. In this episode, we're going to dive a little deeper into damage analysis. We had the owner of the vehicle come by and he pointed out some damage to the wheel. So that means we had to do a 4-wheel alignment on the car and we had to road force test the tire. We're going to jump in with our mechanical technician, Ryan Sanchez, and teach you guys a little bit about alignments and how the wheel and tire process goes.
As you saw in the last video on the estimating procedure, we found out exactly what the damage was, and now we noticed on the wheel that there was an impact. When there's an impact on the wheel, we have to do a 4-wheel alignment to make sure that there was no movement in the suspension, there's no damaged parts, and then afterwards, once that's all squared away and good, we're going to take this wheel off, break it apart, and take it on over there and do a road force test on it. Alrighty guys, so we performed the alignment, did the shoot, and got it up, lifted up. We noticed that there was no damage or bent suspension components, but we did notice on the readings that we do need to make a minor toe adjustment to both the driver's side and the passenger side. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right basic sense, which is just your tire balancer, but it does have technology within the programs that it's road force technology, and the road force has the capability to tell us 2 things: damage to the tire or wheel that is not visible to the human eye, and being able to balance a tire with the stiffest part of the tire to the lightest part of the wheel, giving it a glassy smooth ride. So what the reading we got here is, this is testing at 52 pounds, and even if we were to force match it or rotate the tire to a different spot to see if we could correct it, it's not going to work. So this is telling us that there's damage to the tire and that we're going to need to actually order a new tire.
And about what should that reading be? How many pounds should it be?
15 and below is acceptable, but we like to shoot for 12 and below to be in the safe zone. But this is well over and it's just not going to work.
Okay guys, so that's going to wrap it up for today's episode on the rebuild series for the Audi A4. We got all the damage analyzed, we're working on ordering parts, we've identified everything we need. So we're going to wrap it up and we'll catch you next time. As always, guys, we really appreciate you taking the time to watch these videos and learn more about what we got going on here. We would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the YouTube channel, like these videos, and comment on the videos and let us know what you want to see more of.